Listen to part of a lecture in a biology class.
Good afternoon, class. Today, we'll continue to focus on how birds have adapted to fly. Specifically, we're going to be looking at some of their key anatomical features. As you know, birds have evolved not only wings for flight, but there are other adaptations that make it possible for them to stay in the air. Birds have pneumatized bones, or hollow bones. Keep in mind that bird bones are not just hollow, but pneumatized, which means they are filled with space for air. We humans have pneumatized bones too, which are mainly around the sinuses. For birds, these pneumatized bones connect to the pulmonary system and allow air to circulate, increasing buoyancy. Although these bones are lightweight, they provide a strong framework of bones for the birds. Interestingly, these hollow bones do not make the birds any lighter. This means the skeletons of birds won't weigh any less than those of mammals of the same size. Can you imagine how that is possible? As hollow bones tend to be more fragile, they need to be made of material of greater density to keep them from breaking. And this density also helps birds with flying because, as bone density increases, so do bone stiffness and strength. Thus, contrary to popular belief, hollow bones do not help birds fly, because they make them lighter, but because birds need much oxygen to fly. Their bones help them take in oxygen, while both inhaling and exhaling. So, when someone says birds have hollow bones to help them fly, you can say they are right, but you can also tell them the real reason why.
Question 2. Listen again to part of the lecture. Then answer the question. Why does the professor say this?
So, when someone says birds have hollow bones to help them fly, you can say they are right, but you can also tell them the real reason why.